Alright guys, I got a 2013 G37 with a sunroof issue like they all have. Figure I'd make a decent video here. Here's the list of codes I have too for no start, no communication. Sunroof drain is leaking down here. So if you take the glove box out, unbolt this, move this out of the way, actually get a nice long pair of needle nose and get right up in there. You can see it. You want to move this carpet out of the way as best as you can. Just get right up in there, pair of needle nose, twist it, pop right out. Obviously you want to take off the pillar. There it is. It's missing the gasket on it too. But even with the gasket, these still leak. So if you look at this, how this is designed, it'll flow right past these holes. But anyway, getting a no start with this. See all the codes that I have right here. So I checked all the wiring, pulled this apart, ended up actually finding a broken terminal. It was corroded from all the water getting on it, so I rewired it and just bypassed the connector and ran my own wire to go around the connector here. After I did that, runs 100%, starts up perfect, no check engine light, no codes, no nothing. So that was the main course of action. So now let's fix this drain. But figure I'd make this, show you it's not that insane. I mean, it's quite a bit of work, but you don't have to remove the entire dash. So you kind of want to take off the pillar. There is a clip on this vent right here. Just kind of move that so you can kind of have a little play in there so you can work it out. And it's right up in there, so.